Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Club SciKidz. This is a monthly STEM-based subscription box that sends a full kit of activities to do based around one field in the STEM sciences. So it's usually like a profession, like a geologist, an astronomer. Is that? Oh, I get those two mixed up. Anyway, we're gonna open this up. This is my favorite box for kids, hands down. Just fun stuff, lasts you the whole month. $29.95 a box, full of goodies. All right, so you open it up, it looks like this. First we have personal identification. Ooh, is this gonna be like detective work? So this is a personal identification with fingerprint. You look at the different things in the fingerprint, and then you write in all the information back here. We get a what's in the box. And then our activity guide goes through all the different experiments for the month. They also list like micro experiments, which expound on the experiments we're already doing. They also have further reading, further watching, and then they always feature a scientist in the field. So Sherlock Holmes is the further reading, and then the scientist who inspire would be Francis Glessner Lee. So this is the World of Forensic Science activity guide, which sounds so much fun. All right, the first experiment is the white powder lab. So I'm guessing forensic chemists must often identify unknown substances that have been collected by CSI agents at a crime scene. So this is figuring out what different items are, or powder substances. Then there's a nature project, a chromatography butterflies. Ooh, that sounds fun. Use coffee filters. Forensic technology fingerprinting kit. Ooh, that sounds like fun. Mixing tray, red cabbage test. Ooh, so you need red cabbage for that one. But that's easy to obtain, right? And then there's tons and tons of micro experiments. So maybe you do one, okay, so like over the summer, during the summer months, say you do one experiment at the beginning of the week, and then you can use these little micro experiments over the course of that week to kind of get a better understanding and a grasp of what it was trying to teach in the first place. So that's how I personally would do it. All right, let's go through all our ingredients here. So this is going to be for, I'm guessing, our white powder test, because there's a whole bunch of little bags of white powder. There's some little popsicle sticks, some gloves, iodine vinegar, and water in here. So they don't, look at the little things are labeled like question marks, numbers. You don't know until you find out. Looks like a little vial holder. Some pipe, this is for the chromatography craft. This is some markers, coffee filters, pipe cleaners. This is for the white powder test. I guess it's top secret, so you can figure out what you were actually investigating. This is for our fingerprinting. So they've got cocoa powder, an ink pad, some tape, a paintbrush for dusting, a little cup, and then how to determine the different types of prints, because prints are all very unique. It's actually really interesting, and it's a very hard science. It's very, you know, hard. Can you see my stuff over here? I was just got tons of crap. We went to the beach. I told you that, I think, but anyway, there are some candies. These look like gummy splats, I guess. Maybe they're supposed to be like amoebas, which is kind of funny. Every box comes with candy, which is really nice for the kids. It's like engaging, you know. And then this looks like just some tattoos, a DNA and a lab thing. So that's everything that came in this box. I'm super excited to get into this with the kids. They love to do it. They ask for it when they see it come. They're like, oh, let's do that. It's fun. It's just a great way to spend time together. And like you end up learning something. I do as an adult. I learn stuff. I'm like, oh, that's really interesting. So it's cool. If you're interested in the full review, we always do the experiments in the blog. I'll link to that below. I will also link to Club SciKidz so you can check them out. As always, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye!